let us prepare, make some good profits this week. Extremely big week ahead. You need to be prepared. I will prepare you by Wednesday, but there is very important information here you need to understand where the big moves will be coming. I will share with you the key levels and the structure you need to be looking out for. But before that, intraday analysis on Friday. Very straightforward. In the morning, I told you it may be a chop. Now, I may be wrong. So set alerts and you see Friday morning, absolutely nothing happened. Now, you need to understand the concept of liquidity here. When you can identify liquidity, you will know nothing may be happening. Just set alerts. If it happens, you will not miss out on that. And in the afternoon, 12:50 right there, we identify the magenta algorithm here. And just take a look. Absolutely beautiful, exactly as it is. Magenta, orange on the breakout right there. Absolutely beautiful trade. Plenty of trades here that could be taken. And I had a 500% trade right there. All because I understood about the magenta algorithm and understanding power hour. And more importantly, something in the 30-minute chart that I will share with you later. Now, I have a technical breakdown of this trade here in very deep details, and I talked about that right here. So please, members, do check it out later if you have time. It's very important. The link is in the description. Please do check it out. And members, for episode 5, please watch that because I talked a lot about this, breaking it down, how to be looking out for the trade, what strike to be taking, understanding the technical dynamics of this trade so that you can be able to understand how to catch it. That's very important concept that I taught about as well. I'm sure there are plenty of concepts there that you can learn from. So please do check it out right there. I'll link in the description. It will link you to a longer video. And this particular video in episode 5 is a 70 minutes video. Episode 1 is 40. These are about an hour long each. So there's about 5 hours of videos here. You can watch it. Please do check it out later. It's very important for you to understand some of the key concepts.